Thanks to Kuya Vera for wonderful reconciliation with me and Ate Dina. That I know, me as I'm a pro Duterte, and Ate Dina Guillermo is, what's that, anti-Duterte, or she's non-political, or, but for me, I will not harass her again. At least I reconcile with her. Because, for you, Dan Mardayaw, if I say to you, you have to be non-political. Ha? You have to be non-political. You should not talk about politics. Whether you like Bongbong Marcos, don't talk about politics. You have to reconcile with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. For me, guys, here's the one thing in my YouTube video. I'm not picking a fight. Oh. Unlike you, Danmar, we are special. We are autism. You have to reconcile with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Reconcile. It's simple. How we just want to reconcile your former enemies. Oh, I remove Ate Dina Guillermo in my enemy list. I put her as a non-enemy list. Oh, because she has no family. Oh, I reconcile with her. Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, or sometimes, he has no family. Oh, what you gonna say to you, Danmar? Oh, if you bully Kuya Rodelio Daguman, he has no mother, his father died, his mother died already. He has siblings, he has a brother, Robin, Kuya Robin Daguman, who was a Zumba instructor. I just want to say, Dan Mardayaw, listen to Kuya Ver, listen to Roylan Marlang. Makinig ka sa kanila, like I said. For me, I'm not picking you a fight. I'm just giving you a warning. Oh, do not make a fake account on Facebook. Oh, you will cause you in harm. Oh, pinahamak mo pa ako. I say to you, Danmar. Oh, pinahamak mo pa si si Thomas Gregory Ferrer. Oh, I was asked by David Gill. He was a student from CDIFI. Oh, kilala ko po yan, si Thomas Gregory Ferrer. Roylan Marlang said to me, he chatted me, what he said before, gaano ba kilala si Thomas Gregory Ferrer? I asked him, he's a student of Teacher IB. He was a classmate of Lawrence Villawan. I told to Roylan, magkilala kami. That's a word. I asked Dan Mardayaw, don't create fake account. I respect Kuya Rodelio Daguman because Rodelio Daguman, Kuya Rodelio, he's the eldest in Hands Inclusion Philippines. He has no family, he has no mother, he has no father, his mom died already last year, he was cremated. Is this what you like, to bully the person that he has no mother? It's not good. Like me, for example, I just want to explain, I just want to compare, unlike you, Danmar, unlike me, when I bully Ate Dina Guillermo, when I make fake account on Facebook, what did I do? I know this is my consequence, and I'm the one who's responsible, who make a fake dummy account of Ate Dina Guillermo. But I promise to Jeric Silva, wag mo kasi uulitin. At least Jeric Silva is compared like Teacher May. He said to me, wag mo uulitin yun. He said it to me. When I talked to Kuya Bear, I asked him, Kuya Bear, I promise to you, I will not going to make fake account in Facebook. But I apologize to Ate Dina Guillermo. When I say to Kuya Bear, that is your really learn now to sincerely to apologize. And I told her, I told Ate Dina Guillermo, I never messaged her in Messenger. I made my YouTube vlog. I said to her, um, um, I'm the one who's responsible, and I make a public apology. And Kuya Bear says to me, he said to me, you should never do that again. Oh, at least I make a public apology to Ate Dina Guillermo, and I said, I write in my logo, I will never do that again. Oh, this is a lesson to you, Danmar. Don't make fake account. Have mercy to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Maawa ka kay Rodelio. That was the past. He made the scandal like Jim Paredes. Matagal na yun. Like, how many years at the incident of Kuya Rodelio Daguman? For 5 years. Miggy Labitag was 13 at the time. He was a teenager. Oh, Tony Labitag was become teenager. Matthew Timbal become teenager. Oh, it's already the past. Danmar Dayaw, matagal yun. If I say to you, Danmar, I just want to request to you, don't do that to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh. How old was RJ Gonzalez? Oh. That I mentioned. Oh. And he knows Ate Rona. Oh. Ilang taon ba yan si RJ Gonzalez? Oh. How old is he? Oh. He's 18 years old. Oh. He's older than my nephew Miggy. Oh. He's older than. You know, Danmar Dayaw, have mercy to yourself. If I invite Kuya Bear in Hans Inclusion Philippines, if he talks to Roylan Marlang in Zoom meeting, Roylan will talk to Kuya Bear, then Kuya Bear will talk to Roylan. Because I know if Roylan Marlang says to Kuya Bear, you need to teach Danmar Dayaw how to be a good person, how to be honest to others. It's simple. I don't want to get in trouble too. I'm just gonna say, learn how to respect the people who have their own opinion. It whether pro Marcos, pro Duterte, let's respect